Hey, my name's James Neville Taylor, and since trying to take my own life back in 2017, I've become a top 1% earner online. But more importantly, I've helped hundreds of others make hundreds of thousands online and make their very first sales online ever, even after trying for years. And if you're watching this right now, then I know you're looking for something different, something that works. And back in 2017, after I took an overdose, I jumped into the digital world with both feet. I saw so much hype, so many scams, and so many false promises. It made me sick. I fell prey to a few, wasting my money on things that didn't work, wasting money I didn't have on things I thought were going to bring results, but then never did. Maybe you have too. Let's face it, if you're watching this video right now, this probably isn't your first rodeo. And I want to set the record straight right now and tell you that it's not your fault. There's so many vultures out there waiting for some unsuspecting newbies to come along with hope in their hearts and a handful of cash. It makes me sick. And that's why I've dedicated my time and energy to helping as many people as possible make their first dollars online and beyond. And that is why I put together this system and training together for free. What most people would charge you hundreds of dollars for, I'm giving you for free. The system, the emails, the training, all of it at the end of a few simple steps. And this is the first step. The first step is the belief in yourself. Belief that you can do this. Because without that, all the next steps are going to be worthless to you. And I never thought I would amount to anything. I never thought that I would be where I am today. I thought I was worthless. I never thought I would be a 1% earner, 7-figure digital marketer, international speaker, and inspiration to thousands of people like I am today. When I was staring down the bottom of a bottle of pills a few short years ago. Yet, here we are. And it all started with a belief in myself, which set a driving force in motion to push me to where I am today. And I want to ignite that same spark inside you that ignited inside me a few years ago. Because of that driving force, I became a top earner online in near record time. I managed to travel the world and experience things I never thought I would. I even got invited to speak on a private yacht in Cancun. I became an international speaker in 9 different countries across 3 continents, regularly earned thousands of dollars per day profit, won multiple competitions for different launches, summits and products, won contests against people who have literally been in this space for decades, and shared my story from suicide to success with thousands of people, gave people hope, and saved some lives from suicide. And I now have a $700,000 per year business, most of which is now recurring and profit with no support or fulfillment, which allows me to travel the world, work from anywhere, and truly live life on my terms. And I'm not telling you this to impress you, but rather to impress upon you that this is real and this is possible, even from the depths of despair. And I've not only helped myself, but helped dozens of others build their businesses and 10 times their sales in a short amount of time. And this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. And I want to point out right now, because I know you're thinking it, none of this has been anything to do with MLM or recruiting. I have not had to do sales. I've not had to do fulfillment or inventory or any of that other icky stuff. In fact, the business model I discovered and work in is by far the easiest and most freeing, because there is no inventory, there is no stock, support, upkeep, or anything. And honestly, it is the most freeing and simple business model in the world. Right now, I can literally stop working, close my laptop, and not work another single hour this year. And I will still have more than $50,000 a month coming in on autopilot because of the work I've done prior. Again, with no support, no upkeep or stock, and nothing to worry about. Tell me another business model that allows you to do that. There isn't one. And can you imagine that? Can you imagine this? To be able to just take time off to be with a loved one and not have to worry about it. At the drop of a hat, be able to support and help those you care about, help those around you, and not have to worry about bills, fulfillment, support, and other business stresses. I personally have been able to spend way more time with my family. I've been able to get my mum the medical care that she needs to recover and give her the luxuries to enjoy the recovery time too. Maybe family isn't your motivation. Maybe you want to travel like I have, experience different cultures, see new sights, experience new experiences. Or maybe You simply just want to be free. Free of the time constraints. Free of a regular job. Free of a boss looking over your shoulder, telling you what to do. Free from that pesky alarm clock telling you when you have to get up and what you have to do to survive. What would that be worth to you? Let me tell you right now, it's freaking priceless. And with that belief in yourself, the same belief I managed to find a few short years ago, you can do the same. Now, it's really important to note, okay, that this isn't going to happen overnight, okay? I didn't become an overnight success, and apart from gambling with your money and winning the lotto, no one else has either. But what I have done is shortcut the time it takes to learn and become successful with a brand new system and a brand new technology and a full training that you can access in a few moments for free. Using this new tech, I've created what I like to call the rapid profit machine, and I call it the rapid profit machine because once it's set up, it's like a machine that keeps on paying you over and over again. And the best part of all it is completely free. Now, you may be wondering why I would set something like this up for free. And it's because I was where you were not long ago at all. I know what it's like to have no experience, no money, and not a clue where to start. It's because there are way too many scams out there, way too many vultures. If I can give you the training you need to start being successful for free and get this out to the world, there will be a lot less people getting screwed over. And I know that affiliate marketing is the easiest and best business model in the world. I truly don't want anyone else to have to suffer and struggle like I did. The main reason I've made the RPM free is because I want anyone to have the ability to start making money online. Once you make that first commission and you have that belief in yourself, it becomes a whole lot easier. And there are hundreds of people making their first sale online within hours of using this new technology. No other technology allows you to have a fully automated business set up and running for you like a machine on autopilot, and certainly not for free. I've been working on this for well over a year. Unlike every other system out there where there is hours of setup, editing and headaches, this is truly one-click download and then no editing required thanks to this new technology. You don't even need to edit your links or emails because it pulls in your information automatically. And it sounds kind of like magic, right? It kind of does work like magic. And like I said, I've been working on this system for well over a year to make it so easy, so push button that anyone can make this work. And I struggled with a lot of mental health issues in the past. I know what it's like to never believe you will achieve anything. It took a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, and tears to get to the level I am right now. And I don't want you to have to struggle like I did. So I went on a mission to create something easier than ever before, and I'm super proud to say that I finally accomplished that. Utilizing a brand new technology called Autotag technology, you can now have an affiliate marketing machine set up with your links, your information, and payment details without you having to edit a single part of it. Now, give me a few minutes of your time, and not only will I give you the rapid profit machine on a silver platter, but also the top performing affiliate programs that you can earn recurring commissions from as well. And that's a big problem for newbies, is knowing what to promote. So with this, I not only give you the system, the emails, the platform and everything, but I also give you the proven trusted affiliate offers which have paid me on time every time. And nothing else out there allows you to get a machine like this set up for free. It really is the closest thing to a money-making machine there is. And as you can see below, more and more people have been using this technology inside the RPM to get their first cash payments online in record time. You are in the right place at the right time, my friend. With this new technology and the influx of people turning to the internet to make a living because of, well, recent events, there's never been a better time in history to build a passive income through affiliate marketing. This is an actual business that can start paying you as soon as today, and I will fight anyone to say that it is the best, easiest and simplest business model in the world today, bar none. There's minimal setup, and when it is set up, it is just a case of getting traffic. And you can see some other results below, and you're going to see many more results in the following steps as well. Now, you can see here one of my awards for surpassing 200,000 in commissions for just one company. I'm the #1 affiliate of all time for that company, and that's one of the income streams inside the rapid profit machine. And I rank higher than more than 10,000 active affiliates for that program that promote them. You can see more awards that I've got here, and another one from another program which I'm a top affiliate for here. And again, I'm not telling you this to impress you, but to impress upon you truly that no matter where you come from and no matter the situation you're in, with some determination and the right steps in front of you, you too can do the exact same thing. And these are just a few of the awards, a few of the programs, and a few of the income streams. And I earn hundreds of thousands of dollars from multiple other programs and my own programs that you're going to be able to earn from as well. So you're going to get access to everything I use, and hundreds of my students have used as well to generate more than $1 million online. Now, as a quick disclaimer, these results are not typical, okay? My results have been as a result of hard work. I cannot guarantee you will see the same results. You may earn less than me, you may earn more than me. I cannot guarantee any specific results, but what I can guarantee you is that if you follow the steps in the Rapid Profit Machine and don't give up, that you will earn money. Now, at the end of a few simple steps, you're going to be able to access your RPM training area for free. And this goes through all the training you will need to create a reliable, recurring income online. This is perfect for beginners all the way to advanced, because I've covered the basics from a simple landing page up to advanced tracking and ninja methods that generate me tens of thousands of dollars per month. And if that sounds way out there right now, I get it, okay? I was there not long ago. In 2017, my aim was just $1,000 online, enough to support myself. And I couldn't even comprehend the $100,000 months that I've been having recently, or the $10,000 months that I achieved last year. It wasn't possible for me in my mind, but it was possible, and it is for you too, if you can believe it. Now, there's a famous quote by Henry Ford which says, "Whether you believe you can or whether you believe you can't, you're right." So I really hope that I've helped you to believe this in yourself today. If you really don't believe that in yourself right now, then please know that I believe in you. I believe with what I'm going to share with you today, you can. I know you can. Because I was in a similar, most probably a worse situation. Now, inside this training, you're going to get my top traffic methods, so my favorite free traffic method, my favorite paid traffic method, completely free. I usually sell these two as standalone courses, and you're getting them for free as part of the Rapid Profit Machine, which again is free. Is that crazy? These are the same two traffic sources that are solely responsible for more than $128,743 so far and growing. So you get access to them in the free members area. So right now, all you need to do is click the link below and continue through to the next step. The steps are short, simple, and to the point, and at the end of it, you will have a machine set up with half a dozen income streams and automations all ready to go, the follow-up and everything. You don't have to write one word of copy, you don't have to do any videos or anything. It's all set up for you in a matter of minutes. And this system with this new technology I told you about takes care of it all. It's all done for you. It's kind of like owning your own fully stocked store with all the products on the shelves and everything. You don't need to restock those shelves, it's all done for you. You don't need to provide customer support or anything else because we're selling other people's products. All you need to do is fill in the paperwork, enter a few variables, collect your commissions. It really is that simple. And it's absolutely perfect for newbies, as there is more in here for free than most people charge $1,000 for, seriously. The question now is, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe that you can do this? Are you an action taker or an excuse maker? I don't think you would be here if it was the latter. So please click the button below to get started, and I will see you in the next step.